Good morning, teacher and classmate. Today, my group and I have the pleasure to present the topic I/O devices.
I/O devices are the pieces of hardware used by a human or other system to communicate with a computer. For instance, such as a keyboard and a mouse are input devices, while monitors and printers are output devices. Devices for communication, such as modems and network cards, often perform both input and output operations.
An input device sends information to a computer system for processing. Also, an input device can send data to another device, but it cannot receive data from another device. For example, we have mouse, microphone, the keyboard, and joystick.
What is output device? An output device is any type of hardware device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Usually, most of the output peripherals are meant for human use, so they receive the data or the processed data from a computer and transform it in form of audio, video, or physical reproductions. For example, here we have printer. A printer is an electronic device that accepts text files or image from a computer and transfers them into an electronic device that print in a paper or a film. There we also have headphones and speakers. It can be one speaker or a pair of speakers, and they are used to listening the sound from a computer, music player, or another electronic device that can send audio data.
First question: how have computer monitors improved over time? The way that monitors have the comfort and care of the user has been sought. In recent years, improvement has been seen in their resolution, size, and technology with curved screens. What is the purpose of a frame buffer? The purpose is to clear the contents of the frame buffer to achieve the purpose of driving one image per frame.
In Unit 3, in the Part 2, there was a reading and there were three sentences that we needed to tell if they were true or false. The first one: most flat panels use CRTs to display images. That was false. They usually used LCDs. The second one: active matrices allow monitors to display HD. That was true. And the number 3: multiple bitmaps come together to create a single image. That was false. There's only one bitmap for every single image.
Part 3 Vocabulary 1. People can control tablets, PCs by touching the screen. 2. The customer was impressed by the thinness of the flat panel. 3. Overall displays, you could see each individual pixel. 4. All monitors were bulkier than new ones because they each use a CRT. 5. For the best resolution, get a HD display. 6. Each component of the computer performs a different function.
Vocabulary of unknown words. Bulky. Something that is not thick or has a great volume. Number 2. Thinner. Having relatively little extent from one surface, or side to the opposite, not thick. Number 3. Bitmap. A piece of text, a drawing represented as on a computer display by the activation of certain dots in a rectangular matrix of dots. Number 4. Buffers. The buffers is a data area shared by hardware or program processes that operate at different speeds or with different sets of priorities. This allows each device to operate without being held by another device. Matrices is a grid used to store or display data in a structured format. It is often used synonymously with a table which contains horizontal rows and vertical columns.
Growth hacking is the creative use of technology, email, marketing, apps, or analytics like data mining or A/B testing in order to combine the product development to create a company's growth. A/B testing is the practice of compatibility of comparing two versions of an online product, website, apps, email marketing, etc., in order to compare which one is the best. Data mining is the practice of examining large amounts of data in users' databases to find customers, patterns, behaviors, and relationships that can be useful in marketing goods and services online. And website optimization is the process of using growth hacking to improve the website's ability to convert visitors to customers.